All right, hello, computer science students. Quick note about today's activity. We did it in class. We had a little bit some struggles, but I thought you DL people might give you a hint on how to do this. So what happened is when they logged out of their Chromebook and looked in apps, there was one that was called College Board, but that was not the right app, right? The right one is actually when you click in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see one that's just like a URL that doesn't look like anything else, but that's the right one. So it'll kind of look like a long gibberish URL, but when you sign into the apps, that's the one you have to sign into. Okay, and then once you do it once you sign in once with the app, the next time it'll show up as like 2021 AP exam or something like that. But the first time it's just a crazy link. So don't do the College Board. Do the one that's a crazy URL, and then you'll be able to get into this. And it should look like this. It'll load here, and then you can go to practice and do the demo one. So hopefully that clarifies it. If not, send me an email. I'd make a screenshot of it, but I can't. I don't have a Chromebook. I don't have access to that. So hopefully that clarifies it, and good luck.